Hi, Emma. Welcome to the grocery store with me. Today, we will buy food, and I will explain each section clearly.
That sounds great, Daniel. Grocery stores can feel confusing, especially for English learners who do not know section names.
This first area is called the produce section. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and tomatoes.
Yes, in the produce section, we usually find food that comes directly from farms and it is not packaged.
Look at these apples. They are fresh fruit. Fruit is sweet food that grows on trees or plants.
And these carrots are vegetables. Vegetables are usually used for cooking meals like soups, salads, and main dishes.
When choosing vegetables, we check if they are firm and not soft. Soft vegetables are usually old.
That is a helpful tip. Also, we should look for bright colors because fresh vegetables usually have strong, natural colors.
Now, let us move to the dairy section. Dairy means products that come from milk.
Yes, dairy includes milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt. These products must stay cold, so they are inside refrigerators.
I will buy milk. Milk is used for drinking, cooking, and making drinks like coffee or tea.
I will buy yogurt. Yogurt is thick and creamy. Some people eat it for breakfast with fruit.
Next is the meat section. This section sells chicken, beef, and fish.
Meat is animal protein. Protein helps our body grow and stay strong.
I will buy chicken breast. Chicken breast is soft meat from the front part of the chicken.
Many people like chicken breast because it is easy to cook and does not have bones.
Now we are in the bakery section. Bakery means bread and baked foods.
Yes, baked foods are cooked in an oven, like bread, cakes, and cookies.
I need a loaf of bread. A loaf is one full piece of bread before cutting into slices.
Bread is usually used for sandwiches or toast in the morning.
This area is called the frozen section. Frozen food is very cold and stored in freezers.
Frozen food includes frozen vegetables, ice cream, and ready meals that you heat at home.
Some people buy frozen food because it lasts longer than fresh food.
Yes, fresh food is healthy, but frozen food is convenient when we are busy.
Now we're in the dry goods section. Dry goods means food that does not need refrigeration.
Examples of dry goods are rice, pasta, flour, sugar, and canned food.
I will buy rice. Rice is a basic food in many countries and is eaten with vegetables or meat.
I need pasta. Pasta is made from wheat and is often eaten with sauce.
This section is called canned food. Canned food is inside metal containers called cans.
Canned food can last a long time because it is sealed tightly.
Now we are in the snack aisle. An aisle is a long walkway between shelves.
Snacks are small foods we eat between meals, like chips, chocolate, or biscuits.
Snacks are tasty, but we should not eat too many because they are not always healthy.
That is true. It is good to balance healthy food and snacks.
Finally, we are at the checkout counter. Checkout is where we pay for our items.
The cashier scans each item. Scan means the machine reads the barcode and shows the price.
After paying, we pack our groceries into bags and take them home.
Groceries means all the food and household items we buy from the grocery store.
Today, we visited many sections: produce, dairy, meat, bakery, frozen, dry goods, snacks, and checkout.
Yes, now learners understand not only the conversation, but also the meaning of each grocery store section clearly.